My name is Steve Marink. I was born and raised in Petersburg, Virginia, and spent most of my early career as a door-to-door fire insurance salesman. And I quite likely knocked on just about every single door in Petersburg, Virginia during the 1970s. I knew the streets and alleyways like the back of my hand, and I knew hundreds, maybe even thousands of local citizens, and most of the kids knew me as the fireman. Homes were falling into disrepair way back in the 1970s. I wondered how much longer these old, beautiful 1880 through 1920s Victorian homes and commercial buildings would remain standing. Well, today I have that answer. Some of the buildings have been restored, but many have aged like the old men they are, untouched all this time, hurting bad, but still standing, some occupied, some vacant. Today, almost all of the local industry has moved away. Unemployment is high, and the public school systems are no longer accredited. Truancy is high, and the streets have become dangerous. You have seen these television shows about home renovations. Well, I began to think how much my hometown, Petersburg, Virginia, needs a big renovation. But nothing can be done without funding. Thousands, many thousands of dollars are needed just to begin. But what if some of these homes and commercial buildings were donated? That would really reduce the cost. I could start a 501c3 nonprofit to accept these buildings and provide all the tax relief of a charity donation. I can create a website to inspire real estate donations and spot Google ads within a 30-mile radius of the city. Selling that one real estate can provide the fundings to do it again. So even if I'm just a little bit successful, I can help the community one house at a time. And if really successful, well, I can try to duplicate this activity with local managing commissioners in other cities throughout the nation. So help me if you can. Even a little donation will help. If you can do more, then we can do more. The website enable.homestead.com will help to keep you informed of the projects we undertake and the craftsmen and students we hire. Thank you.